In this video, we will demonstrate how to shut down a process in SLEIS. As you enter your data, you may realize one or more of your processes no longer operate. Shutting down the process may be a good option for simplifying your report this year and in the future. If the process operated during the reporting year, you need to enter the emissions it created that year and wait to shut the process down during the next reporting period. For example, this report is for 2018. If my unit operated at all during 2018, I need to report the unit's emissions and wait for the 2019 report to shut the unit down. If you choose to shut down the unit process, here is how you do that. Start at the unit process square. Select the process you would like to shut down, in this example, process 1, and click the gear square to edit. Under the Unit Process tab, under Status, select either permanently or temporarily shut down. If the process will never operate again, like it has been sold or removed, choose permanently shut down. If the process may operate again, like it operates on an irregular basis or was broken for the whole year but will be repaired soon, you could choose temporarily shut down. For the status year, enter the last year the unit operated, which must be prior to the year of reporting. For this unit, since I am reporting for 2018, I need to ensure the last year it operated was 2017 or before. It is always nice to leave a comment to remind yourself and inform DAQ staff of the change. You can copy this comment to paste into the other component comment boxes. I am also noting the emission unit number, 183896, boiler 1, so I remember to shut it down as well. You can look at the control approach and release point apportionment tabs to see which corresponding components you should also shut down. Under Control Approach, I see I need to shut down the control device labeled 1 control device. Under Release Point Apportionment, I see I need to shut down 183344 baghouse. I save my changes and click the back button. Process 1 is now listed as permanently shut down under Status. I click the back button again and click the emission unit square. I see the unit I need to shut down, 183896, boiler 1. I click the gear square so I can edit this emission unit. I first look to see if this boiler is related to any other unit processes. It is only related to the process I am shutting down, process 1, so I will continue. If the unit is related to other active unit processes, you do not want to shut it down, or it will impact your reporting for those other processes. Since I am going to continue with shutting down the emission unit, I enter the same information I entered to shut down the unit process. I change the status to permanently shut down. I enter the status year, and I paste my comment. I save my changes and click the back button twice. Now I choose the control device square. I see 1 control device and click the gear so I can edit. I look to see if the control device is related to any other unit processes besides 183896. It is not, so I can continue. I enter the same information as before. I change the status to permanently shut down. I enter the status year, and I paste my comment. I click Save and click the back button twice. Now I choose the release point square. I see 183344 baghouse that I need to shut down. I click the gear to edit. I look to see if the release point is related to any other unit processes. It is also related to 184739, rail loading rack. So I do not want to shut this release point down. I click cancel and the back button once. I can now click the process emissions square and see the unit process 183896 boiler I just shut down is no longer there. A downside to choosing temporarily shut down is that it will not appear in the process emissions square in future reports until you change the status back to operating. If you think this option might present the opportunity to forget to report emissions in the future, you can choose a different option. At the process emissions level, click the gear square to edit. On the Process tab, look for Process is reported and uncheck this box. You will have to click OK because it will permanently remove the pollutants associated with this process. This option will require no further reporting for the unit, but leave it visible at the process emissions level for this and future reports. If you have any further questions, please contact SLEIS at utah.gov.